嚟到緬甸揾乜嘢啊？
揾快樂，
冇錯，咁而家揾乜嘢啊？
揾 WiFi，
點會揾 WiFi 啊？
冇 WiFi 邊度有快樂啊？
梗係唔係啦，我哋嚟做手工藝。
嚇，手工藝點快樂啊？
你唔好以為啊，唔係成日咁先有快樂㗎。有陣時快樂係藏喺我哋對手嗰度嘅。做嘢嘅時候認認真真，心裏邊都有一啲嘅快樂㗎。
明㗎啦吧？
明㗎啦吧？
噼里啪啦，
噼里啪啦，明㗎啦吧，明㗎啦吧。His name is Dima.
Dima.
Yeah, and I'm
Yes.
Harry. Nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
nice to meet you, sir. I am Kopine.
Kopine 咧，今日咧就喺呢一度同我哋介紹咧呢一度一個非常之特別嘅一個呢度嘅一個藝術品啊，應該係。What is it? What do you call it?
Turn handicraft. We call it lacquer.
即係咧，我哋叫做漆，俗稱係漆嘅。但係咧，原來漆咧係來自天然嘅喎。
The story begins from the tree. So that's what we call it lacquer tree.
要2000尺以上，要好高嘅地方先揾到呢一種嘅漆樹。呢啲就係漆啦，原本唔係黑色㗎噃。漆樹嗰度咧滴出嚟啲漆咧，即係漆油啦，係白色嘅喎。但係咧，原來咧，只要你放喺度，喺個太陽下低咧，佢自己就會變黑㗎啦。
呢啲咩嚟㗎
This is a bamboo bowl.
？This is a bamboo ball.
This is a bowl.
This is a ball.
No, this is a bowl. Ball, ball, ball. I don't know. What is it?
It's a bamboo bird.
Really?
Yeah.
But it looks like a ball.
Yeah, look like a bird.
It opens so it's a ball. Yeah.
各位鄰居，你哋睇下，成個過程一滴膠水都唔使㗎。
中唔中意我最新嘅髮型啊？ Do you like my hair?
Yes, thank you very much.
Sorry about that. It's very naughty. What is this?
A hawk's hair?
Horse hair.
Yeah.
Really? Not monkey hair.
Of course not monkey hair. Horse hair.
Yes.
呢啲係馬毛嚟㗎。馬毛唔係用嚟做假髮，而係捆喺竹子上邊，令到漆器更加耐用。呢啲就係民間智慧。
Nice. He's making music.
No, he knows making music.
No.
Yes, he make it to get a smooth surface by hand and he use the knife.
佢喺
Yeah.
度轉下嘅時候咧，跟住 hold 住嗰把刀咧，跟住就可以令個碗咧做到好光滑㗎啦。以下落嚟咧，亦都係最重要嘅時刻啦。呢一啲咧就叫 lacquer， 黑掹掹嘅係咪？哇 ！It has a very good smell， 其實幾香㗎喎。
Yeah.
I know the next part, Spy.
Yeah?
I know. See like him, right?
Mhm.
You put the finger, yeah?
It's difficult to take out.
Why?
Yeah, this is not take out by water.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we use the petroleum to take your hand.
Petroleum.
Yeah.
吓？
Yeah.
要用電油先洗得甩㗎？咩叫手工藝啊？每一個唔同嘅部分都要用隻手嘅唔同嘅部位先至可以完成啊！
逐個用人手上色咪搞好耐。
唔係乜嘢叫做手工藝啊，芝麻。
Spy, what are we looking at now?
So this is the more expensive one.
Why?
So we use the gold leaf.
Wow！哇，係將啲金箔黐上去嘅時候啦。緬甸人好中意金色，加上金箔又令到成個工藝品更加有氣派喎。我都玩下先。Like that， 咁就黐出去咯喎。黐金箔原來唔可以心急㗎，好彩爛咗都有方法啫。跟住咧就咁樣，咁樣捽，跟住咧你睇下，啲金真係黐咗上去㗎喎，好靚啊！跟住又玩乜嘢咧？誒，姐姐你過嚟幫下手啊！點樣啊？哇！又真係好靚喎！原來就係咁樣樣咧，就可以咧洗甩佢。未啊 try？ 你睇幾靚？洗好咗就要將佢哋放入地獄1個星期。
你講乜嘢話？
Sorry， 係地牢啊！
乾晒之後就喺上邊挑啲圖案，完成咗就可以攞出去賣揾錢啦！
好多鄰居，當你哋旅行嘅時候，都會好中意帶啲手信翻屋企嘅。有啲人咧仲不惜工本，使好多錢，將嗰個地方咧嘅一啲好珍貴嘅嘢，例如係古董咧帶翻屋企嘅。緬甸呢一度就好希望你哋唔好咁做啦，因為呢啲嘅文物 真係屬於呢一個國家，只不過係一種尊重嚟嘅。我哋其實係唔需要帶呢一啲咁名貴嘅一啲嘢出去。咁我哋可以喺呢度揀一件好靚嘅工藝品拎翻屋企，一樣係好有價值、好靚、好有心㗎。